Imagine this moment. You open your eyes, and in front of you stands a presence so powerful, so overwhelming, that your entire body begins to tremble. No footsteps, no sound, no warning, just the angel of death, sent by Allah, standing right before you. And in that single moment, you know that your time in this dunya is over. In that moment, the whole world behind you fades away. Every excuse you made, every sin you ignored, every prayer you delayed, comes rushing back to your heart. Because the angel of death never arrives early and never arrives late. He comes exactly when Allah commands him to come. Your soul begins to tremble. Your heart begs for one more breath, one more chance, one more moment to fix your life. But there are no more chances now. No more tomorrows. No more, "I'll change later." Because later has already ended. You look around desperately, but no one can help you. Not your parents, not your friends, not your status, not your wealth. At that moment, only your deeds stand with you, either as light or as darkness. And then, you hear the words that will decide your eternity. O peaceful soul, return to your Lord, pleased and pleasing. Or the words that bring terror. O wicked soul, come out to the anger of your Lord. Your entire life, every moment you lived, every action you took, comes down to this single moment. My brother, my sister, you don't know when your moment will come. The angel of death does not wait until you feel ready. He does not knock. He does not warn you. He comes when your story has ended. And when he stands before you, the life you lived becomes the life you will answer for. But listen carefully. If you are hearing this right now, that means Allah is still giving you time. Time to change. Time to return. Time to clean your heart before it is too late. Every breath you take is a new chance. Every prayer is a path back to Allah. Every tear is a step toward forgiveness. So prepare yourself before the angel of death stands before you. Because when that moment arrives, there is no turning back. Return to Allah before you return to Him.